So may tanong ulit tayo sa postal ID. Ang tanong niya po is, tanong ko lang po, kapag kumuha ka postal ID, hinahanapan pa ba ng ibang ID na UMID ID like SSS o National ID? Wala kasi akong UMID ID. Ano lang sa akin, PhilHealth at TIN ID. So, if may PSA birth certificate ka naman as proof of identity, wala na pong other ID na kinakailangan na hinihingi yung postal office based on experience. Pero yung PhilHealth at TIN ID, hindi siya part ng list na tinatanggap ni postal office. So, based sa akin, memory and my research na rin, yung tinatanggap ng postal office as valid ID, as proof of identification, substitute for PSA birth certificate is national ID, digital national ID, driver's license, passport, SSS UMID ID, GSIS UMID ID, at marriage certificate naman kapag babae, in additional sa isa pang valid ID mo. So, isa lang po doon sa mga primary ID, okay na as a proof of identity. So, I hope this video answer your question. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang, see you in my next video. Let's go!